How to fix the error message, "We are unable to handle your request" in Rockstar Games. So if you're having any kind of issue opening up the Rockstar Games launcher, I'm going to show you 4 different ways on how to go and solve this issue. Now, the first method is you'll need to open up your start menu. You can then search for Rockstar. Go and right click on Rockstar Games and press Open File Location. Now go and right click on the launcher and press Open File Location. Now from this window, you'll see the launcher patcher. Right click on this, press Properties, and select Compatibility. Now make sure Disable Full Screen Optimizations is turned on. Also run this program as administrator, and then press Apply and OK. You can then right click on the file, click on Run as Administrator, and then you can check to see if it's now working. If you're still having an issue, open up the start menu again, search for Windows Security and click on this window. Now select Virus and Threat Protection, scroll down to Virus and Threat Protection Settings and click Manage. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and you'll see Exclusions, press Add or Remove Exclusions. Now press Add an Exclusion, click on Folder, and then you need to locate the Rockstar Games folder. So this will typically be in your C drive in Program Files, and then you should be able to find Rockstar Games, select it like so, and then just press Select Folder. Now once you've added this, once again, check to see if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, open up your Start menu, search for Settings, and click on this window. Now select Network and Internet. Click on VPN and make sure you're not currently connected to a VPN. This can actually prevent you from connecting to the Rockstar Games network. Now click on Time and Language, press Date and Time. Make sure Set the Time Zone Automatically is switched on, and also Set the Time Automatically, make sure this is turned on. You can then scroll down to Sync Now and press the Sync Now button. Once you've done this, you should then be able to load up the Rockstar Games launcher.